Our chief guest for the evening, Dr. Ram Narayan, is famed for being an excellent orator. He has been a mentor to many and also a guide to many PhD students. Sir, I request you to share your pearls of wisdom with our eager audience.
Dr. Ramdas Pai, Dr. H.S. Ballal, Mr. Anand Rao, Mrs. Parvatavardhini Gopalakrishnan, Dr. G.K. Prabhu, distinguished invitees, heads of institutions, faculty members, and my dear students. I consider myself rather fortunate that Dr. H.S. Ballal is not speaking. Please follow him as a leader, but do not follow him as a speaker. Because when you follow the baritone voice of Dr. H.S. Ballal, it becomes an impossibility to speak. He insisted and persisted that I will be the only speaker, and therefore I have to share some thoughts this evening, and these thoughts will be very brief indeed. It's a pleasure and a privilege to participate in the annual event of Vaksha. I say this because whenever Vaksha organizes this annual event, there is color, there is class, there is celebration, there is contentment. I see the full play of colors, so well dressed. The best dressed people in campus are the students and faculty of Vaksha. I see class in what they do. There's grace and class which is unmatched in the campus. We always look up to Vaksha for this. There is celebration which you will see today, where there is joy, there is mirth, and there is lots of fun. And most of all, there is contentment. Contentment at the end of it all, with the spread of dishes that is again unmatched. On this day, I was wondering what is it that I must share with you, my dear students. I'm reminded of Paulo Coelho's story. A grandmother was writing with the pencil, and the grandson asked the grandmother, "Are you writing a story?" And the grandmother said, "Yes, I am writing the story of the pencil. I want you to be like a pencil." And the grandson said, "Me like a pencil? Yes, I want you to be a pencil. I want you to be a pencil because the pencil has got a core and a coat. The core is the graphite, your inner being, the humanity in you, the goodness in you, the values you have, the Manipal values that you have been inculcated with. I want you to pay attention to these inner values. The coat is important, but the core is more important. Remember, style and substance go together. Make sure that you pay attention to the core, the graphite of the pencil." The second thing about the pencil is the sharpener. You sharpen the pencil. There is some pain, there is some stress, but that sharpening is done so that you become more skilled. There is a price that you pay for becoming better. It could be painful, but at the end of it, you are sharp and you are skilled and you are capable. That is what Vaksha has given you, your ability to become sharp, capable and competent. So sharpen the pencil. Third is the eraser. When you use the pencil, you can erase. Erase your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Learn to erase your mistakes. Learn to forget those mistakes and learn from those mistakes. And that is how you use the eraser. The fourth, your pencil is as good as the guiding hand, the hand that you use to write. Always remember, there is a guiding hand. Call it existence, call it God, call it divine force, whatever. But there is always a guiding hand guiding you in the right direction. Believe in that and go forward giving your best. And the last, the pencil leaves a mark. Leave a mark in life as Vikas Khanna did, as Sujit Kumar has done. I want you all, each one of you, go into the free world and leave a mark so that we are all proud of you. Have a great evening. Have fun. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.